Interesting facts about tomatoes. Did you know that tomatoes were once considered poisonous, or that they have been grown in space? Join us on Embrace Your Mind as we explore fascinating facts about this incredible fruit. Yes, it's a fruit. From historical misconceptions to record-breaking tomatoes, this video will change the way you look at this kitchen staple forever. Which facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing facts. Tomato facts, fun facts. Embrace your mind. Did you know? Healthy eating, food science, short tomatoes, weird facts, gardening, nutrition. Welcome to Embrace Your Mind. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most popular fruits. Yes, you heard that right, a fruit, the tomato. Stick around for some incredible facts that will change the way you look at this kitchen staple. Tomatoes were once considered poisonous by Europeans. In the 18th century, wealthy aristocrats fell ill after eating them off pewter plates. The acidity of tomatoes caused lead from the plates to leach into their food, leading to lead poisoning. Despite being botanically classified as a fruit, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in 1893 that tomatoes are legally a vegetable for taxation purposes. There are over 10,000 varieties of tomatoes worldwide, ranging from tiny cherry tomatoes to giant beefsteak tomatoes. The heaviest tomato ever grown weighed over 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, and was recorded by Guinness World Records. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that gives them their red color and helps protect against certain types of cancer and heart disease. Originally from South America, tomatoes were first cultivated by the Aztecs and Incas as early as 700 AD. China is the world's largest producer of tomatoes, followed by India and the United States. The word tomato comes from the Aztec word tomatl, which means swelling fruit. Tomatoes are 95% water, making them an excellent hydrating food. Tomato leaves contain a toxic compound called tomatine, which can be harmful in large amounts but is being studied for potential medicinal benefits. In Spain, an annual festival called La Tomatina involves thousands of people engaging in a massive tomato fight. The first tomatoes grown in space were part of a NASA experiment aboard the International Space Station. Green tomatoes can be ripened off the vine by placing them in a paper bag with a banana or apple. The ethylene gas from the fruit speeds up the ripening process. Tomato sauce was not a traditional part of Italian cuisine until the 16th century, after tomatoes were introduced to Europe from the Americas. Florida and California are the top tomato-producing states in the U.S., with Florida specializing in fresh market tomatoes and California focusing on processed tomato products. A single serving of tomatoes provides about 40% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. Tomatoes contain natural sugars, which is why they are often classified as a fruit in botanical terms, but used as a vegetable in culinary contexts. The Guinness World Record for the most tomatoes harvested from a single plant is over 32,000 tomatoes in 1 year. Some tomatoes can be yellow, orange, purple, or even striped, depending on the variety. Tomatoes were used medicinally in the 19th century for treating digestive issues. During World War II, tomato ketchup was used to make mock blood in training exercises for medics. Sun-dried tomatoes are more nutrient-dense than fresh ones, containing higher levels of vitamins and antioxidants. Tomatoes have been grown upside down in hanging planters to save space and reduce pests. A tomato's skin is the healthiest part, as it contains the highest concentration of lycopene and other antioxidants. Tomato juice is the official state beverage of Ohio. Refrigerating tomatoes can alter their texture and flavor, so they are best stored at room temperature. Tomato plants are self-pollinating, meaning they have both male and female parts in their flowers. Some scientists are experimenting with genetically modifying tomatoes to produce vaccines. Tomatoes can be used to remove skunk odor due to their natural acidity. The first American cookbook, published in 1796, contained a recipe for tomato-based ketchup. Some heirloom tomato varieties have been grown for over a century without genetic modification. Tomato seeds have been found to survive digestion and grow in wastewater treatment plants. The largest tomato plant ever recorded covered an area of over 50 square meters, 538 square feet. Tomato-based skincare products are gaining popularity for their ability to reduce acne and improve skin tone. In 2017, scientists successfully used tomatoes to generate electricity in a bio-battery experiment. Now, writer, so whether you enjoy them fresh, cooked, or even in space, tomatoes are truly an amazing fruit. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-expanding content on Embrace Your Mind. See you next time.